Hi friends, this tutorial I am going to teach how to make small stock management software. Here I am planning to do basic stock management softwares. This is the overflow. Once you are login, you will get three options. One is products, stock and report. So what is product? Product I am going to install, I am going to insert product details. Stock I'm going to update quantity details, and report I'm going to see product as well as stock reports. This is the overflow I'm planning to do. Okay, next so login screen I am planning like login, username and password, forget password and clear and button. Once hit the username and write the username and password and hit the login button, so it will log into next page. So products page. Here I will give the product code and product name and status. Once add, it will add into the grid view. So likewise I will add n number of products here. This is just mark overflow. Okay, now stock. Here date, product code and product name and quantity. Just I will update the quantity. So report. So here you will see the product reports. So how many products is there, like that product name, just list up the products you will get to know. And this is stock report, date to date, show the stocks. So whatever recently we updated the day-to-day stock reports, it will come and it will show the all the reports here. This is the stock report. So this is the overflow of the stock management. This is mini project I'm going to do. How to do, we will see step by step. Okay, now this is SQL Server 2008 R2 I am using here in my PC. So I am connecting to my database. So I created the one DB, the DB name called stock, that is my DB. So here already I created. How to create the DB, just right click, new database, and once the new database screen is up here, after that you have to give your database name and click OK. It will automatically create. Okay, now click the stock, here tables. So I created three tables. One is login, another one products, another one stock. So I will show the overflow of the all the columns and how I'm going to use. So already I created the one diagrams. You want to create diagram, right click and new diagram you can use. And here I already create the diagram. Just click the diagram. It will show the database here, everything. So already I created. So you want to add the database here, means right click, add new table, means it will create the new table, and add table means you can add the tables here. So click just add new table. Here you can add the table. Here only three tables is there. Already I added three tables. So you want to see me, just I click delete table from the database, delete remove from the diagram. Just I click the remove the diagram and again I click add tables. So it will show the products and click add. So already tables I created. This is my tables. So I will show the structures. So table view and click standard. So it will show the all the table structures here. Just you have to see the structure, how I am using this. Sorry, table is standard. See here product code. So login, username and password I'm using here varchar 50 and username varchar 50 I'm using, and product code and product name and status. Product code I'm using hint, product name I'm using varchar, and product status I'm using bit. Bit means 0 or 1, that means true or false. boolean values possible to store here. And varchar means you can store numbers or character, whatever you can store. Here stock I'm using product code, product name, and transaction date and quantity I'm using. That's it. Okay, now this is my three tables I'm going to use in our projects. Okay, now I'm going to create the project for the stock management. Okay, now I'm going to create the project. So just Visual Studio. Here I'm going to use Visual Studio 2012. Visual Studio 2012. I already have the shortcut for Visual Studio 2012. I click the Visual Studio 2012. So here I am going to create the Windows application projects. So that is my goal, to create the Windows application project using the stock management. So just wait. So it's opened. Okay, now here file, new project. Here just click Windows. Here I will use Windows applications. So here I'm just create stock, that is my project name, and click OK. So here you can choose your location where you need to store your project, and I am storing my E drive. Okay, and just click OK. So it will create the project for you. Okay, it's created. Now what you have to do, you have to create the login form here. Just you can rename the form, or else right click, add new item or new Windows form. Here you can give the name of your form. I will give, first I need master page, so I will select the master page, where it is master page. Sorry, Windows form, MDI parent form, that is called master page. So okay, in ASP.NET they will call it as a master page. Here Windows application they will call it as a MDI parent form. Okay, here I will give just stock main, just click add. So main form it will add successfully. Now I will add one more form, that is that form name called login. So that is ordinary Windows form. I will add here login. Just click add. So added. This form 1 no not needed, so just right click and delete. But while running it will throw the error. Why means by default startup project is form 1, so you need to change the which form need to run the startups. Just double click this program.cs. Here you have to change your form name to login. So that only I need to run the need to run faster. So just right click, just click run, the hit the button, so it will run the application, it will run the login form successfully. Okay, now I'm going to design the login forms first. So just click the login form. So as per the mark diagram, I will create the login form here. So first I have to go the toolbox. Here I will click the common controls. Here I will get text boxes. I need two text boxes, two labels, and two buttons. Okay, now I'm going to arrange these things. Just align right and select both. Shift, holding the shift key, you can select both. Just extend both. So I will pause my recording. After complete this design, I will come to you. Successfully created the login form here. See here, username and password, two text boxes, and one link label. So link label you want to see means you can search, just type here like link, so you will get link label. Just track down the link label, you will get to know the link table. Okay, you will get the link label. After that you can change whatever. Here once everything I given here, after that I change the font size. Font I choose here in properties, press select the any control and press F4, you will get the properties window. Here you will find the font section. So font section, here I changed like SCOUA font and regular and 10 size I given, so that's why everything is looking good. I think yes. Now I save and I will hit the run button. So I will get the login form here like that I will get. So this is username and password. See, password is showing whatever we are visibling, right? So we need to do the things. Just click the password text box and go to here password character. Just put star or hash, whatever field you are liking, that you can put. Just I given hash, so while typing it will come like that, and username whatever you can give here. Okay, now I need to clear button I need to write. So just double click this clear button, or else click this action event. Once select this controller and click the event here, and going to here click just enter, or click the cursor and press enter in your keyboard. It will create the event for you. Here I will type like username is textbox1, textbox1 dot text equal to double quote. So that means it will clear the text, and or else you can use textbox2 dot clear, whatever you can use. This is a function, this is a text, whatever you are liking you can use. Either one you can use, or clear or text, or you can mingle both also, it will work fine only. Now text box 1 dot focus. So cursor need to be focused on that controller. Just I will click here. So now by default as cursor is focusing here, and I'm clicking the thing, I'm clearing. So cursor will be focused automatically by default. Cursor, if as of now in password I'm clicking the clear button, it will clear and cursor will be pointing to username, so people can write automatically. Okay, and once I hit the login, I need to verify the username and password, and again I need to redirect my login page to master page, stock master page. So I will do that. How we can do, we'll see now. Just go to here, view designer, and double click the login button. It will create the button to click event. So here what I will do, stock main equal to new main. Now main dot show. So here to do to 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 do I need to do check login username and password. So I need to check the username and password. After that only I need to do this redirecting to what stock page. Just hit the run button. So I will give some username and password. As of now I am not validating anything. Just I will click hit the button, so login, it will open the stock main. So see, still that login page is visible, so that I need to close. So how to close? So this dot hide. Now click the login. So now that login form went out, and the stock management stock main form is showing here. Now hit the close button, but it won't close. So that we will see later how we will handle that. Okay, now see here in this stock management page, so I have so many controls, but I need only products, reports or something. I said no, that only I need. So what I am going to do, just I will remove all the items. So just select this, press delete key, or else delete 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 and delete. So I deleted this also, I no need, just I am deleting. So now yes, control S, save, and go to view code. So many by default code will be there, that and all you have to remove it, that and all not necessary. So just remove the code. So everything I am just selecting, all the things I am removing. Now nothing is there. Okay, this also we no need, not needed. Save. Now hit the run button. Any issues coming? Nothing, right? Nothing. Now what I am going to do, in stock main I will add the control dot products products and stock and report. Here I am using list, here stock list. Now product, I am double click the product. Here I will get the menu. Here I will call the products. Okay, now I just hit the run button and click the login. So products, stock and product list, I have two things. One is products list and a stock list. By default it's opening the small screen, so by default I need to open full screen. So that how I am going to handle. Just close the project and go to your project main window. Just select the form and go to the Windows state normal is there, no, click it, maximize. So by default it will maximize. So run the project and click the login button, you will get the maximize screen. So this and all we will come later. First we will handle the login things, how we will create the login with connecting with the DB. And by default I am closing the button, means I need to close the entire solution, or else in background the project will be run always. That and all we will handle it, how we are going to handle those situations. Okay. So now we are going to look why a close button is not working. So first I will hit the run button. Here I click the, see here application is running. Now I am closing the form, so its project is closed. But I'm running the project, I'm click the login button, so login, so it came to main window screen. Here I'm going to see, here this is my main window, but I'm closing also, it won't close. Why? Means the project state is still running. Why is running? The thing is, in login we are hiding the form, we are not closing the form. And one more thing, we can't close the form also. Why we can't close? Like the starting program we mentioned login only. See here, starting program we mentioned login only, so we should hide the form only. But how the situation we can handle in live scenario? Just I am going to the stock main here, this screen, just click the form, and I am searching the form closing event. Just click enter. Here I will use application dot exit. So I'm going to exit the entire applications. Just run the project here and click the login button and just close the form. So application itself exit successfully. Okay, now we will write the code for login, for connecting the DB. So what I am going to, just double click the login button. Here only to do, I need to write the username password condition, I need to check, right? So what I am going to do, first I need to write the code for the getting the SQL server connections. So SQL SQL connection. See here, it will throw the error. Just click that button here, and here one small icon it will come here, resolve it will come here, use the SQL, use system.sql client. So click that here, it will create the namespace, or else you can write the names for using system.sql client. Okay, now I am con equal to new SQL connections. Okay, now here I am going to declare the SQL connection. So simplest way I will tell, so just click the server explore, so view server explore. Here just click the connect icon is there, no, just click the connect icon. Here you have to give your database server name means nothing but your computer name is a server name, and you are using SQL Express Edition means your computer name, like my computer name. How I will get my computer name? Just my computer, and just you go to the properties of my computer. Just I will open inside. Here you will see the my computer, right? Just right click and properties you are going, means you will get to know the your computer name. Okay, simplest way. Vetri PC, that is my computer name. The one more thing, you are using directly your computer name here, means your application should run your machine only, but you are going to deploy in other machine, means their computer name will be different, right? So that kind of situation, how you will handle? Simplest way, just you have to put the local. That means it will take the local computer name, whatever where you are installing, there that computer name it will take. So or else, one more way, just put the dot means it will take the computer name, that is your server name. Here SQL server you are using SQL Express Edition, means you have to use slash SQL expression like that, you need to whatever your server name mention is there, no, that you need to mention here. So best way, just open SQL server. Here server name it will show. See, this is the server name it will show. Just copy and paste it, or else you have to give whatever way you are know to connect the DB. And here I am using Windows authentication, that means I no need to give the username and password. You have specific username and password for your DB, means just click the SQL server authentication and give the username and password, respective username and password. So here I will use only Windows authentication. I'm selecting the Windows authentication and I'm selecting the my DBs. So I will select my DB called stock and click OK. So once my DB is connected, see here my DB was connected. Now I can able to see my tables, whatever table is there, whatever column is there, everything I can able to see here. Just you are clicking your DB, you will get the connection string here. See here connection string you will get. Just copy that connection string, Control A, Control C, put it here. Inside double quote you have to paste your connection string. That's it, first one step. Now I'm going to check my text box and their things is correct or not. So first I will open the SQL server here and connect the SQL server. I will generate the script for the login. So select stock and table. This is my login. Just right click, script as select new query. Or else you know the script well, means you can write. So here I am executing the, so my username and password, nothing is there. Just I will write some username and password here. Just right click, edit 20 rows, sorry 200 rows. So here username I will put admin and password I will put admin at 123. This is my username and password. Okay, now I will close the application and I will execute this once again. So username and password is showing here, where username equal to admin and password equal to admin at 123. So I am executing, so it's working fine. See here I am changing anything like username I am changing admin to, and password I am changing like that, means now I will check, I will execute. So that means value is not coming. So here what I am going to change, here just you can put star, that's enough. You can put the star, means you will get the all the records. So this is my query. So this query I am just copy this query, Control C. Here I am going to paste. So before that I will use SQL data adapter SDA equal to new SQL data adapter I am using. Okay, here inside double quote I will just paste my code, whatever I copy, no, that code I will paste. So and here showing the issue. Why showing the error means we need to write a single line, but we return this this coding is 2 lines. That's why showing the issue. So this kind of issue you need to avoid, means just click at symbol before that error, it won't show. You understood? And comma, you have to put the comma. Now it will ask the SQL connection, select connections. So already connection variable we created, that is CON. So just I will put CON. Normally we are using SQL connection, means we should open the connection. So connection dot open and connection dot close we need to use, but using SQL data adapter, for advantage of using SQL data adapter is it will automatically open the connection and it will automatically close the connections. So that means you no need to mention the connection opened or closed. Okay, now what I am going to do, and the username and password I am passing here. That username and password, once I am executing, means record is coming or not, I need to check. So that means in SQL data adapter 2 I need to store that value into SQL data table. Okay, so data table dt equal to new data table. One more thing, friends, you are using SQL data table means you should declare system dot data, or else it won't come. So many my subscribers, they won't declare this and they will put the data table, and here the error is coming. So why is not working like that? They will raise the bugs. That's why I'm informing. So before you have to use the data table, you should declare the system.data. See, in case I am hiding, means it will throw the issue here, error here. Okay, so this is the dependency. You have to see that dependency here. I need to fill the these values into this data table. So sda dot fill here dt. So the data table I am filling the values here. So first we will check it's working fine or not. Just I am clicking the debugger mode, I am enabling here. Just click up this line, red color symbol, it will come. Just I will hit the button, I will click the login. So it's coming. F10, press the F10 key in your keyboard. F10 and filling. Now only it will execute actually. So executed, that means value will be it will show in your DB. So just over the mouse on the DT and you will get the one such small icon. Just click that icon. So value is coming, it's reading from the DB. Okay, now I will stop the project. Now actually this username password should come from our live text box, right? So here what I am going to do, just double quote once again and plus here text box 1 dot text, that is username, and again I will remove this double quote plus text box 2 dot text. See here, here single quote, double quote plus double quote, single quote plus. So why I am writing here, by default it will convert this text as a SQL query. This query it will execute in SQL server and it will fetch the result. So again I will put the debugger, already is there. Now I will type the value admin at 123 I given, and I click F10. See here, once you can see the SQL query, how the SQL query will go. Just over the mouse on SGA and click this plus sign. So we are using select statement, so that's why you have to go to select command, click the select command. Here you will see the query. So like that only SQL query it will go and execute. Okay, so now actually we are reading from the table admin and admin 123, what we are passing now, it coming here, and F10 and F10. So data is comes. So what we are going to do, actually we have to username and password is correct, means data table it value it will come, right? That value I am validating here, so it more than. So how I am going to do, if dt dot rows dot count equal to 1. 1 means what? Username and password is correct means yeah, data row one row it will come. That's why it not correct, or it some other issues there means username and password is wrong means it will come 0. So this I am going to use. Just I will select surrounded with sorry control Z. I need if condition, right? So just select this and surrounded with if, and this if condition already we written, so just delete. Okay, now select these things. I will make control KD, so it will align the code. So what I am doing, I am checking the username and password. If more than one is correct means it will log in. Sorry, it will go to main form, or else it will throw the some error message. So what I am going to do, message box dot show invalid user name and password, username and password, and comma error, that is header, and message box icon dot error. So here message box buttons dot okay. So I am giving a invalid and error message. So okay, only okay button, message icon should be error, like that I am given. So I will check. No, right now no need these things, what things, debugger. So just I will click the thing and I will type some other name, password, and click. So error, that is a header and icon, error icon, and in our text whatever we are giving text, no invalid username and password, that message is coming successfully. Now I am giving correct one, admin password admin at 123. I am clicking the login, so it will log in successfully. So login form we created successfully. And one more thing I need to add here, one more feature, like I'm clicking the username, I'm wrong, and password wrong, I'm click the login. So that time invalid username password, that means they are going to change in username or password, right? So here we have to trigger clear button on automatically, means how we can do, already clear code we already written. Just copy that function here, function name, and in this error message I will put this function. So same sender I will pass here, this button event I am triggering to that button. So just hit the start button. Now I will give some username and password. I will click login. So here again it will clear the text box. So people should enter username and password once again, newly, freshly. Okay, now we are giving admin tab admin at 123. Now I click login, so it will go to the login form, sorry, main stock main form successfully. Now we will create one product page. Okay, just right click in your project solutions and click new Windows form. Here I will enter like products.cs. Products, just I will add. So here I am going to design the products. So what I will do, this form should, on click of these products, I need to show this form, right? So first I will go to the stock main.cs. Here in view designer, double click the product design products. Here it will come the tool strip menu items. Here I will call that my products page. So products PRO equal to new products. Now PRO dot show. This is you know already, but here I will make some changes. I will show you. Once I hit the project, I will give the username password admin tab admin at 123 and click login. So here I will click the products. See here only one project is open, like one application is running right now. I will click the here. See here is showing two forms. This is stock main and this is products. See two forms is separate, but this is my product main is a main form. I need to show my this product form inside the main form. That is my goal. So what I will do, simply I will add one more line, pro dot mdi parent equal to this. So now I will run admin at 123 and login. Click the products. See now application 1, and now this showing this form inside the project. Okay, now I want to expand, means I can expand, I can simplify. That is our my wish. Okay, and now I'm going to do all what I want. I can do it here. Okay, so I will going to make my design. Okay, first I will do the design, after I will come back to you. I created basic structure about the products. See, you can see here two text box, one drop down, and one two buttons, delete and add, and one grid view. See here same thing I added here, product code, product name, and status, and delete and add one drop down. So here I need to add the active or inactive, so deactive. So edit, active, deactive. So two columns, two things I added. Here I need to add the columns, so just I click here, uh, edit columns, here add, here I will give. So what and how many columns? One is product code and product name and status. Okay, code name status, add, close. A product name I will click here, and here auto size I will give full width, fill, and click OK. See, now you can see the all the details, all the product code and product name and status you will see here, and add everything. The structure I created successfully. Now I am going to write the coding here. So first I will hit the run button. How the everything is showing or not, how it's showing, and I need to see. Just click. So okay, sorry. So one more thing I will do. So every time I need to give username and password, right? So for that, by default, for I will give the username and password, add code here. So admin here in this text, admin at 123. We will remove later and run the project, and click login and click products. So I will get all the details. Here I will get active and deactive. So by default should be active, should be select, and cursor should be focused on this product code. Okay, these things I will do, and click add. This three functionality I am going to add now. So just going to the products and double click the form load. Form load means that products load. So here I will set this property name. First I will explain. This property is text box 1, this property is text box 2, this is combo box 1. Okay, now I am going to view code here. Combo box 1 dot selected index equal to 0. Now I will hit the run the button, login and products. So by default it will select active. Okay, now I'm cursor is by default it will focusing on first text box, so no need to worry. In case is focusing is this text box, that time only in form load we need to add here. Okay, how is automatically focusing here, that you want to know, right? That is simple thing. I will tell how directly is focusing the text box. That is based on the index. See here, tab index. Here once here I am selecting, no, here tab index 3. See here tab index 3. Here tab index 4. So what I am going to do, tab index 3 I will make, and here tab index I will make 4. Now I will hit the run button. See, by default is focusing the text box product name too. So this is the thing happening. You can use based on tab index also, you can change your nature of the nature of cursor focusing. Okay, that is not my thing goal. By default I need to change previous one only. Okay, so I will log in, I will click products, so it's focusing here. That is correct. So here I will write the product code. Example, I will write the product code 1 and product name like gold winner, gold winner, and one liter or whatever. So I will click add. That time I need to add that values into my grid view. Okay, so not grid view, I need to add into DB. After from the DB I need to read from this grid view. These things I want to do. See here, by default one row is there, so that I need to remove first. So click enable adding is there, no, that just uncheck this. So enable adding, it won't work. Now save the project and click add, double click here. So here I will write the code. So already for connection code we already written, just copy this code. Connection code we written already, just I am copying that code. So here throwing error, so you know already how to do that. Just click here and click add SQL like that. So it will create the things, another namespace it will come. Here I will write insert query, right? So first I need to insert, so here I will write insert logic. So SQL SQL command cmd equal to new SQL command. Here I will write my code. So here I insert code I need to write, and here connection I need to call. Okay, but I said already before, I said you are using SQL data adapter means you no need to write connection open and close, but you are using other property means you should use connection open dot close. So connection dot open and dot close. First this I did. Now I need insert query. So just I am going to here Visual Studio, sorry, SQL Server, and I need to insert into this product. Right click, script as insert new query window. So I am clicking means it will write the code for insert SQL query for me. Just I will copy this everything. Okay, Control C. I will paste it here. So now it will throw the error. You know what you need to do, just put @ sign before, it won't throw the error. Here instead of product code I need to trigger my my text box. So single quote, double quote, plus. Here I will write text box 1 dot text. So just I will, and what happened? Correct only, right? Single quote, double quote, text box 1. Here same thing I will copy here. We need 3 things, right? Just what I will do, Control V, Control V. That's it. Here I will make 2. Here I will make combo box 1 dot text. Now cmd dot execute non-query, execute non-query. Save. Now I will run the code. Login products. Here I will write product code 1 and product name gold winner oil 1 liter, and click add. So yes, some syntax errors came. See here we missed. I How we missed, I don't know, I forget. You'll check the video. Insert, I write insert into products. So everything correct. Control S. Once inserted successful means I need no need any message. Just click add and login products one tab one. One more thing I want to know. See here, incorrect syntax active. What we declared here, bit means what? True or false only we need to send here. Product code is integer and the product name varchar, and here true or false only we need to send. So but I am sending the text, that is the problem here. So true or false means 0 and 1, so that I need to send. So just I will make here combo box 1 dot selected index. Now I will hit the run button. Product name, what is the issue? How the coding is sending, just I will check the command here. Oh shit, see here, this is the code we are sending into DB. How insert into, how I am checking this and all. So your experience to handling debugging, okay, that's why I am showing everything. So just command, you are clicking this, you will get the command text here, and click here, you'll get. So here close bracket should come, right? So that is not there, so that's why issue is going. So just close it here, and I will put here one more close bracket. Now I will put the debug mode here once again, and I will hit the button. Maybe this time it will work. One tab, one letter, and click add F10 F10 F10. Now I am going to check the command how it's going inside. So this is the way it's going. Like product code is 1, and gold product name is gold winner oil 1 liter, and product status equal to 0. 0 means false, sorry, 0 means should be 0 means false, and 1 means active. Okay, now this I am going to change. How first we insert query only we will write, after that we will check this. Okay, and F10, so executed successfully. So now I'm going to see my DB here. So just control A, sorry, control A, select star from, select star from products, right? Yeah, this track products and FI. So inserted successfully. 0, but it should be active, right? Active means active should come. So for what I will do, I'm going to here product design and click add. Here I will create one variable boolean status equal to false. I created one variable. Here I will make if combo box one dot selected index equal to 0, then 0, then status equal to true, else status equal to false. I created variable. Now I copy this status and instead of this I will put my status. That's it. Now I will hit the button and I will delete this record here first. Delete from I deleted. Now I am going to run the project. Click login. Here products 1, product name, any name I will give, and click active. And F10, F10, F10. So selected index 0, that means status equal to true. And here I am going F10. So my logics select command is going like that. Okay. Now F10, F10, F10. So now you are going to see here select product. So 1 means it's active. You are sending true means it will convert as a 1. Okay. This is things I did. Okay. Now what I enter now that I need to see here my grid view, that I will write the code here. So what I will do, just simply go to the design here and click add program. Already this code we written. Now reading data. Here I will read the data. Okay. So connection string already we declared. Just I will write SQL data adapter SDA equal to new SQL data adapter. So here select query, it will come here. Connection it will come. I already said we are using SQL data adapter, means we no need to no need to open the connection and close the connection. It will automatically open and close. Here data table dt equal to new data table. So you are using data table means you should declare the SQL system.data, then only it will come. Now SDA dot fill dt. Now still here okay. Now I will write the query here. So select star from this products. Just I will copy and paste it. Okay, this is my query. It will select the all the details from the products. Now I will write the so go to insert recipient. Here Visual C# for each. I will take this for each loop here. So here I will declare data row, data row, here item, okay, here dt dot rows. What I will take, I will loop based on the how many record is coming in data table, no, that much time I will loop here. Here I will write int n equal to data grid view 1 dot rows dot add. So I am adding the rows, and whenever I am adding, no, that time which newly added rows index I am getting same times. Now I will insert the values to grid view. So how I will insert data grid view 1 dot rows n already we declare, and cells 0 dot value equal to item dot column name to string. This is I am going to do. So column name we already know, product code, first column. So just I will put the product code here, and just I will copy paste. So product name and product status. Okay, see here active and inactive only I need to show, right? Same code I will just copy here. So just I will put here, I will convert bool item equal to I am converting the product set as a bool value, and I will declare one variable here. Sorry, control Z. No need to declare anything, just I will copy this, control X, I will cut the code, we no need that code. Now I will just paste it here. Equal to true means I need to give text active, I have to show active. Deactive. Now, and whenever loading, before loading, I need to clear the entire record of this rows, data grid view rows. So I am adding here before the loop dot clear. This is important, and I will hit the run button. So, and one more thing I want to know. Okay, let it be. First I will add to any name I will give and click add. So F10, 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 values added. Now I am going to read the table. So I read it here. So 2 columns it will come. Okay. Now I am coming inside the loop. I added new row. So index will be 0, and product row, product code I added. See, one more thing I missed. See here. Cell value 0, here 1, and here 2. Now I will hit the run button, login, products, so 3, I click add, F10, 0, I'm adding, So status I'm converting to bool, that means it's true, it will come. So active I'm inserting two values. So 3-time loop it will be run. See, that rows is came successfully here. Okay, one more thing, on form load only I need to show all the records before the loading. Okay, how I'm going to do here, just I will show you here. And products, so I will create one function, that function name, so I will remove this and I will create one function. So here I will create public load data void load data. So one function I created. So here what I will do, whatever I already written the reading function now functionality, just I will cut the code, control X, and I will paste it here. But here connection string need, just I copy the connection string, control copy the connection string here, and I paste it here once. So this function only I am calling, instead of coding I will call here. So this function it will hit whenever I am saving, no. And on form load also I will paste it same load function and save. Now I will hit the run button and log in. I will click the product, it will read the all the items. Now I am going to add the fourth one, and product name, some name I will give here, active or deactive. I will select deactive here and click add. So it added successfully. Now next thing, I need to delete the record. So once I select the things, I need to delete the record. So these things I will do now. What I am going to do, in view designer, this product is there, no. Here uh, just I am select the data grid view, and here I am going to selection mode. You have to select selection mode. Here I will select full row select. Okay, why I am doing full row select? Once you give full row select means, now whenever you are clicking, no, it will select the entire row. It won't select the particular cell. Now it will select the full row. That's why we are giving full row select here. Now in the on click of this, so I am going to event, so row click somewhere will be there, no. And row selector, row click. Here I will select mouse click. So mouse click. So just I will use mouse double click event. Whenever I am double clicking, that time I need to show this. I will take here text box 1 dot text equal to data grid view 1 dot selected rows 0 dot cells 0 dot value to string, and text box 2 dot text equal to data, same thing, just I will copy and paste it. Why we need to write again? Just copy, paste, and combo box 1 dot selected text equal to this. I will use here cell only, I will change to 1 and here to 2. Now save the button and I will hit the run button and click login. So products, I will double click anywhere. So one more thing I to forget, drop down here I have to write, just copy this and paste it here uh, equal to control X active. Now control X dot selected index equal to 0. Control C 1. Now what I am doing is active means selected index 0 or else 1 I am doing. Now I will click the login button and go to products. I will double click here, deactive. See, everything is working fine. Now update button, update code I need to write. So this how going right. Next part we will see this. Okay.